Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to play Hey Jude. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and let's get started. If you would like to print out this lesson and support this channel, there's a link in the description box below. Okay, we are starting on A and then switching to E7. Watch me do it first and then we will do it together. Our singing note is E, so I'm going to pull on this string right here, open string, so that I can hear the singing note. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Okay, now let's try it together. I think the most important thing there would be to play A with your peace fingers and then just switch to E7. And if that's really challenging for you right now, then do it without the strumming pattern. Just practice going A, E7, A, E7, and practice that for about 30 seconds, and that should help you build muscle memory. So do that anytime you're about to play this song or start practicing, and it will help, I promise. Okay, so let's take it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Another tip, when I switch from A to D, I leave the middle finger down. So that kind of helps me leverage that switch. So I go A and then D, A and then D. Okay, verse 2 follows the same exact form, so let's just run through it. 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You were made to go out and get her. The minute you let her into your skin, then you begin to make it better. So we do have one change. I'm sorry I lied to you. At the end of verse 2, we switched to an A7. So all you have to do to switch from A to A7 is lift that middle finger and you're already there. So that's barely a change. In my defense, that's barely a change. Okay, so now let's take it at the bridge. Watch me play it first and then we'll do it together. We're starting on that A7 that's kind of hanging out from verse 2. Anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulder. You know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. Oh, na, 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 na. Okay, so nothing too crazy there. It's just kind of a long bridge. So let's start at any time you feel the pain, starting on A7. 1, 2, 3. Anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. A7. For all you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. it to verse 3. Verse 3 and verse 2 have similar form. So we're just gonna run straight through it. And then the bridge is the same as the bridge you just played. So let's do verse 3 and the bridge, okay? This is our singing note. Hey, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. A7. So let it out and let it in. Hey Jude, begin. You're waiting for someone to perform with. Don't you know that it's just you? Hey Jude, you do the movement you need is on your shoulder. Ah, na, 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 na. You are almost done. Okay, so let me look at verse 4 real quick. Okay, verse 4. Okay, really similar to verse 1. So let's just run straight through it, okay? Yay! Okay, let's do it. Okay. This is our singing note. Me, me, me. Okay, here we go. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her under your skin. Then you begin to make it better, better, better. He just keeps going higher. I'm not gonna do it. Because I go way out of tune when I try to do that. Okay, so we have made it to the funnest part of the song. Well, in my opinion. And all we need for that is A, G, and D. A, G, and D. Pretty easy. And it says repeat to fade. So you can play it as many times as you want. So let me play it for you first, and then we'll do it together. Na, 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 na. Repeat it. And so on and so forth. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 hey Jude. Repeat. Na, 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 na. One last time, just for fun. Last time. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 hey Jude. That is so fun. Now here are some options for you to kind of add more flair to this song. You can add a strumming pattern or a fingerstyle pattern, but you can also just keep playing down strums. That's totally fine too. Okay, so for a strumming pattern, I'm kind of doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let me show you. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Now for the fingerstyle pattern, you're only going to need 3 fingers. The middle and ring, and the index, and you're just gonna do this, these two together, and this one. It's just gonna bounce. Bum, 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 bum. The thumb is just gonna be lazy and rest here on string A. So the ones that are gonna be doing all the work are here, and I'm gonna pull up just slightly. I'm not yanking, that's way too harsh. I'm just kind of doing a really gentle up movement. Okay, so watch me do the first verse. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take us outside. Okay, so let's try that together. I'm gonna slow it down slightly so that we can really master that bing boom part. That's the technical term, by the way. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take us outside and make it better. So if you are here, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And let's play through the whole song. Okay, are you ready? I think you're ready. I'm ready. Okay, let's do it. Our singing note is E. Hey. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take us outside and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!